Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can use Grok for free. Yes, you can still use Grok for free after Grok removed the free version we were all enjoying. Now I am going to show you how you can use Grok for free. But I want to advise you to know the platform you are trying to access Grok for free, as Grok has the ability of blocking anyone who violates their rules. Please don't listen to everybody that is talking about Grok. If you do that, it is at your risk. If you see a particular process of accessing Grok for free, please be guided, follow it with wisdom so that you will know where to pause or where to continue, because if you use Grok in a way they don't like it, they are going to block you. They have blocked so many people such that they no longer have access to Grok, even if they want to subscribe. So let's go on this journey. I'm going to show you how you can use Grok for free without violations. Yes, without violations. So come with me. I hope you're with your pen and paper to jot things down so that immediately after you watch, you do the same thing and you will see the same results. Let's go. So you open your Chrome like this, click on your Chrome, and then click on the search bar and type Kia API. Kia API. Kia API. When you type Kia API, you click on it. When you click on it, it will open like this. When it opens like this, you click on this particular one. Click on it. Once you click on it, you wait for it to load. As usual, anything you are doing online needs patience. So you must be patient for the app to open or the site to open in order for you to access it. So here we are. If you scroll down, you will see all these features, but what we are interested about is this particular feature here, the Explore AI API. Watch attentively. Explore AI API. So go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it will open like this, where you see text to image, image to image, and all of that. You see Grok has already showed up. Now if you scroll down, you will see that this site has 65 models. Sora is here, Nano Banana is here, Gemini is here, and a lot of other AI tools. If you scroll down, you will see a lot of them, but the one that brought us here is Grok. So go ahead and click this place. Let me show you. Click on this search model and type Grok. So go ahead and type Grok under this place. As you start typing GRO, if you check, you see a drop down. Let me scroll up. You see a drop down where you see text to video, image to video, text to video. What I will encourage you to do, don't come here to generate image. What you should do here is to generate your video. So from here, you click on image to video. Let me show you. Click image to video because we want to generate a video. Now once you click it, it will open like this. You give it time for it to load. It will open like this. Once you see this space, you do what? You scroll down. You see image to video, text to image, image to image, text to video, and all of that. I don't want to waste much of our time, so scroll down to where you see this image. This is their default image. So you go ahead and click on the plus sign. Click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, it will take you into your gallery, where you will click on browse, then scroll and select the image you want to generate video with. All right, so I will go ahead and click one image that I want to use. Let me click this image, anyone that you like. You click on it, you give it some time for it to upload. As you can see, it is uploading. Give it some time for it to upload. So while waiting, as you sign into this app, like when you click your Chrome, you click here API, and then you click the site I showed you, you will have to sign up. Very, very important. Without you signing up, you will not have this access. I had already signed up, which is why I was able to enter the app this way, the site rather. So you sign up. All right, so this is our image. The image is ready. What you need to do at this point, go ahead and remove this face image that is not from you. Remove this one. So I'm going to remove it. When you remove it, it will only remain your own image. Next thing you need to do now is your prompt. What do you want this image to do? All right, so I will simply give it a prompt. You scroll down, scroll down, scroll down till where you will see prompt. They have already given their default prompt. He is playing the guitar. So I want to place my own prompt here. So I will quickly say, I want the scene to be in Nigeria. So I will use Nigeria scene with Nigeria tune. Please pay attention to this part. This is the prompting part, so you should pay more attention to it. With Nigeria tone. All right, full stop. Okay, so I want to describe what I want this image to do now. So I want this image to sing. So I will go ahead and say, let this image sing and dance with her boy for 6 seconds. For 6 seconds. Okay, you go ahead and click aspect ratio. If you scroll down, once you are done, scroll down here, you can manually set aspect ratio. So you scroll, you see aspect ratio. Let me show you. This is aspect ratio. There are different ratio depending on the platform you want to post this video. So I want to post my own on Facebook, so I will go ahead and select 9:16. If you are posting your videos on Facebook, please select 9:16. If you are posting it on YouTube, then you click 16:9. So I have selected mine. Once you're done selecting, you go ahead and click on run. Go ahead and click on run. Click on it and wait. Let us see if the video will come out the way we want it to come out. As usual, you have to exercise patience for it to generate. This is the last process for our video to be ready. So this is how you will do it. Let's wait. If you scroll down, you will see where it is generating. We have it at 30% complete. So let us be patient. This platform helps you generate this video for free without violations. So it is at 99% complete. Let us wait a little bit for it to complete. Let us see what comes out. I will encourage us again to be patient with AI because it takes time to generate. All right, our video is ready. So go ahead and click on that play button. Let me click. Let us see. Okay. So click on the play button. Let us see our video.
Ọmọ mi máa sweet fantastically. Together we sing again.
Wow. So because I only wanted the image to sing, you can see that the video came out beautiful. Now if you want to download, go ahead and click on this plus sign, these three dots rather. When you want to download your video, you click on these three dots. When you click on it, you will see download. Go ahead and click on that download and wait. As you can see, it is downloading. Now you can open it. You can open it and check it again.
Ọmọ mi máa sweet fantastically. Together we sing again.
Okay, so our video is ready. How you will know the video is in your photos? You can minimize, go to your photos and check. Go to your photos and check under downloads and see if the video is there. So as you can see,
Ọmọ mi máa sweet fantastically.
so that is how you can make use of Grok for free without violations. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and then hit the notification button for more videos. Bye.